a normal rat. This is a zero-day rat, which means it exists before fixes are released, before security systems react. That alone makes it dangerous. Zero-day rat is not limited to one platform. It is capable of interacting with both Android and iOS devices. There are just 2 devices connected right now. The first one is an Android device, a OnePlus Nord CE5. On Android, coverage spans from version 5, all the way up to version 17. And the second is an iPhone, the iPhone 17 Pro, and on iOS, even the latest builds are within range, up to version 26.2. All of this, controlled from a single panel. Now, let's select the Android device, and move inside, to see exactly what kind of access is possible. Now, we are inside the Android device. This is the control panel for the OnePlus Nord CE5. All of these capabilities are part of this system. ZeroDayRat includes access to location data, notifications, call logs, contact, SMS, WhatsApp surveillance, call details, account access, application management, file manager, device-level controls, surveillance capabilities as camera, microphone, and screen, a keylogger, and powerful bank and crypto stealer. Each of these features will be explored one by one in the sections ahead. But now what you are seeing here is the Overview tab. Inside the Overview tab, we get a high-level picture of the device. The operating system details are visible here, along with battery status and the current country, lock status and screen orientation, SIM information, and the associated phone numbers, as well as signal strength and network status. Beyond that, we can see application usage patterns. Here you can see which application is used for how much time. An activity timeline, showing device recent behavior over time as user interact with device. And even recent messages, all summarized in one place. You can see in format like from, content, and time. Let's start with location. This section provides geographical context for the device. Here, location data is visualized in real time. This module focuses on GPS location. Here, the device's position can be viewed in real time. The exact location is shown using a precise pinpoint marker, allowing location data to be monitored with high accuracy, clear, direct, and continuously updated. Now, we move to notifications. This section reveals what the device is communicating in real time. Every incoming notification is captured the moment it appears on the screen. The source application is clearly identified, along with the notification title and its full content. Nothing is summarized. Nothing is skipped. Even the exact time the notification was received is recorded, providing a complete picture of activity as it happens, quietly, continuously, and without interruption. At any moment, the data can be updated by pressing the refresh button. The system fetches the latest information from the device. No waiting, no delay. What you see is the most recent state, as it exists right now. Now, we move into call logs. This section provides a complete call logs history of the device. Every call interaction is collected here. Incoming calls, outgoing calls, rejected calls, and missed calls. Each record contains detailed information, the associated contact, the phone number involved, the call direction, and the exact timestamp of when it occurred, call duration, allowing communication patterns to be observed. Not just recent activity, but older records as well. In some cases, historical entries that are no longer visible on the device itself can still appear here, providing additional context into past communication. All of this data is organized chronologically and clearly. Now, we move to contacts. This section reveals the device's contact database in its entirety. Every saved contact is listed here. Names, phone numbers, and associated details, all brought together in one view. This includes primary contacts, secondary entries, not just what is visible on the device right now, but older records as well. In some cases, contact information that is no longer active or no longer displayed on the device itself can still appear here, providing historical context and relationship mapping. Everything is organized clearly, systematically, allowing the full contact access of the device. Now, we move to SMS messages. This section provides full access to SMS data from the device. All messages are visible here. Incoming messages, outgoing messages, and complete conversation threads. Each message shows the sender or recipient, the phone number involved, the full message text, and the exact time it was sent or received. This allows message history to be reviewed clearly. As message volume increases, manually checking every conversation takes time. That's where search becomes useful. Specific keywords, names, or phrases can be entered directly into the panel. Results are filtered instantly, helping locate relevant messages within seconds, saving time and reducing manual effort. Beyond viewing messages, SMS can also be sent. Messages are written from within the panel and delivered through the device itself using the target device. Now, we move into the WhatsApp tracker. This section focuses on WhatsApp activity from the device. First, we focus on WhatsApp calls. This section highlights voice and call activity on the device. Both incoming and outgoing calls are visible here. Each call entry shows the contact involved, the call direction, and the exact time the call took place. Next, we move to WhatsApp messages. This area focuses on text-based conversations, individual chats, group conversations, and complete message threads, all available in one place. Each message includes the sender or recipient, the message content, and the time it was sent or received. Together, this creates a complete picture of WhatsApp activity across both calls and messages. Now, we move to accounts. This section provides an overview of all accounts present on the device. Every linked account can be identified here across different applications and services. This includes Google accounts, Telegram, WhatsApp, Spotify, Reddit, PayPal, Instagram, and other supported platforms. Each account is listed individually, showing how the device is connected across multiple services. Together, this creates a broader picture of the digital identity associated with the device, all visible from a single panel, structured and centralized. Now, we move to installed applications. This section displays all apps present on the device, system applications, user-installed apps, all listed in one place. Each application is shown individually, providing a clear view of what exists on the device. Just a complete picture of the application on device. Beyond visibility, this module also supports application management. Apps can be reviewed, disabled, or enabled, and controlled from the panel. Now, we move into the File Manager. This section provides direct visibility into the device's storage, files, folders, and directory structures, all displayed in an organized view. Every file and every folder can be viewed, allowing stored data to be explored clearly and systematically. Beyond viewing, new files can be created, and folders can be added. Files can also be transferred. Content may be uploaded or downloaded as required, enabling controlled movement of data between the panel and the device. Selected files or entire folders can be encrypted when needed, allowing files and folders to be decrypted. Everything remains centralized. Now, we move to device controls. This section focuses on direct control over the device itself. From here, the device can be locked, restricting access instantly. Network access, Ethernet connectivity can be turned off or on. Power controls, the device can be powered off remotely. Notifications can be sent. Screen brightness can be increased or reduced. The ringer mode can be changed, normal, silent, or vibrate. All of these controls operate in real time, providing immediate response and centralized control. Now, we move into surveillance. This section focuses on live visibility into what is happening on the target device in real time. Live camera access is available here. Both cameras, front and back. The camera feed can be viewed live as it exists in that moment. Still images can be captured from either front or back camera. And live video can also be recorded using the front or the rear camera. Captured images and recorded videos can be saved and downloaded when required. Alongside the camera, live screen access is also available. The user's screen can be viewed live, showing on-screen activity as it happens. Screen activity can also be recorded, providing a complete view of target device interaction. Audio monitoring is handled separately. Live audio can be heard directly from the target device's microphone, in real time. Camera, screen, and audio, all working together to provide full surveillance access. Let me show you how it works. Now, we move to the keylogger. This section focuses on input activity. What is typed? All key presses are recorded as they occur. Across different applications and input fields. This includes text entered, search queries, and form inputs. Capture all passwords. Each entry is logged at the input level. Quietly, consistently. You can also download key logs. Let me show you how it works. Now, we move to the Stealer module. This section focuses on sensitive data, information that holds real value. The first component is the crypto stealer. This component focuses on digital assets, cryptocurrency-related data stealing, wallet-associated stealing, crypto-based platforms credential stealing. This part targets banking-related information, associated sessions, bank credential stealing, and stealing account link data without direct interaction with the user. Alongside that, there is the crypto stealer. Together, across both traditional bank hacking and modern digital currencies, quietly. Let me show you how both works. We've seen how Android Control works. Now, let's move forward. The Apple device is online as well. An iPhone 17 Plus. We'll take a quick look here. Just a short overview to see how the system behaves on iOS. Fast, clean, and straight to the point. This device is operating from the United States. Different location, different environment, but connected to the same system. We won't go deep here. Just a quick look. This device is running the latest operating system, iOS version 26.2, the most recent build available, and the device itself is an Apple iPhone 17, fully updated, fully online, and ready for a quick overview. Here, you can see a PayPal message. This indicates active PayPal activity on the device. It confirms that the account is in use and full of money. We've already explored the rest of the features on Android. Covering everything again would make this video too long. So we'll stop here. Thanks for watching.